Hello guys, how are you? If yesterday was Thursday, that means that today is Friday! Yay! We are ready for our weekend. So, today we are going to have a little fun because you are going to build a school with different shapes. You can make with paper, with carton, whatever you have in your house, it's okay. You are going to build a school in your drawing notebook with the shapes. How can you do the windows? Maybe with squares. How can you do the door? Maybe with rectangles. How can you do the roof? The roof. Maybe with a triangle. And the school bus, maybe you can do it with a rectangle and also with circles, right? And maybe you can add a square smaller than the rectangle, right? Let's build a school on your drawing notebook with shapes. In this case, small shapes, okay? You can cut them out. You can use, as I told you, carton or sheets of paper. What else can you use to build a school? You can use stickers maybe with different shapes. Okay? So now that you did that activity, we are going to discover a new color. And for that, I'm going to show you in here a link where you could see how to make your own paint. Today we are going to make paint and you are going to mix paint black and paint white to discover a new color. Are you ready? Let's watch the video. Okay guys, now that you have your paint black and your paint white, we are going to mix that paint that you did by yourself. Mix, 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 and let's see what color did we get. Mix, 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 mix. Mix the paint. Ready? What color is now? Very good. In English is gray. Gray color. What could be great? Gray, sorry. A whale, a rabbit. Very good. A silver coin. Excellent. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. I hope that you enjoyed this activity and I'll see you Monday. Enjoy your weekend, okay? Goodbye.